Hi, my name's Cheryl Desha and I'm here to talk about a book co-authored with my colleague Charlie Hargroves on higher education and sustainable development. Specifically, we explore how to rapidly renew curriculum in highly regulated educational contexts to equip our future practitioners and leaders with the knowledge and skills that they will need for life in the 21st century. It also builds on more than 70 colleagues from around the world and their lifelong experiences in this endeavour of embedding sustainability into the curriculum. Way back when we were early career researchers in our mid-20s, I remember one of our mentors told us very early on that we had the potential to contribute to the non-violent overthrow of bad engineering. And I think what we've learned over the last decade is that it's really been a challenge to get it into the curriculum and into the learning environment of our future business leaders and our future practitioners. As our team went about the process of creating all these great books on technical opportunities for sustainable development, we were constantly challenged by the time frame for creating new solutions that could deal with our burgeoning population and consumption demands, and additional challenges that sometimes our employers don't know what they're going to need in 5 years' time. So this shift in thinking around sustainability and sustainability opportunities needs to be in the curriculum for the undergraduates to be able to craft their own expertise in their base disciplines and address the needs of clients. We sincerely hope that this publication is of use and becomes a practical guide to embedding what we've spent so much of our career already in communicating around sustainable development opportunities into the curriculum.
Good afternoon. I'm Laurie Buys and I'm a professor in the School of Design in Creative Industries at QUT. And together with my colleagues, Professor Carrie Mengersen and Dr. Sandra Johnson from Science and Engineering faculty here at QUT, Neil Van Buuren from Dairy Australia, and Dr. Yvonne Miller, also from Creative Industries here at QUT, we wrote Triple Bottom Line Planning Tool for Measuring Sustainability. Sustainability is a key driver for decisions in the management and future development of organisations and industries, and also for government and communities. So there was a need to develop a tool which can measure the complex interactions within and between the environmental, social and economic factors which affect the community or affects the sustainability of an industry. The benefits of the Sustainability Scorecard include enabling stakeholders to establish baseline performance benchmarking using validated existing measures and industry standards, while incorporating flexibility for the addition of new measures when they become available. So it is really an industry tool that allows interaction and conversations between a wide variety of stakeholders so that together the best possible outcomes can come for all involved. The beauty of this book also was that the research team was multidisciplinary. We had social scientists, mathematicians and engineering all working towards a solution of one problem, which is understanding and measuring sustainability. I'd like to thank the collaborators, including Dairy Australia and their partners, but also my co-investigators, as together we were able to achieve, I guess, something that has never been achieved before, and that's a format to measure sustainability.
Hello, I'm Jody Frawley and I'm here to talk about our book Rethinking Invasion Ecologies from the Environmental Humanities. I had the great pleasure to edit this book with Professor Ian McCalman from University of Sydney. Our book brings together a whole range of different contributors, senior professors in the field and early career researchers from history, film studies, geography, cultural studies and literature to talk about invasion ecologies. The chapters in this book demonstrate how research derived from a humanities perspective can transform our understandings of the character and implications of invasion ecologies.
Our book does not pretend to survey the invasion ecologies field in all its facets, but rather to explore a linked set of themes that have become particularly salient in our time. How, we ask, will biological and cultural invasions of the past influence the present and futures of a climate-changing world? How should we think about the more than human roles of camels and carp, or of willows and baobabs? What will become of plants, animals, people and ideas that travelled and remade other countries and places in the pursuit of empires? Another of our aims has been to multiply disciplinary conversations within the burgeoning field of the environmental humanities, in order to explore how conceptual understandings of invasion ecologies can be infused with a variety of literary and artistic narratives, gendered tropes and moral fables, as well as with more familiar political, legal and sociological inflections. Human beings, cultures and natures have been and remain deeply entangled and interdependent in these new landscapes of empire and post-empire in ways that only the environmental humanities can uncover.